We are currently suffering to get leads and jobs. All of our leads come from word of mouth or our Google listing. I'm needing to know your personal advice on how to grow this business. Last year, we made about 150 total. We profited about 100. A business has been going around for 30 years that I took over 2 years ago.
Mm-hmm. So right now, do you guys have a website that's set up?
Right now, no. And that's the thing. I've reached out to website designers in Springfield. We're not from Springfield, but Springfield is the biggest town to us. And um, they wasn't the best. They wasn't a good fit for us. It's either way too much money or they didn't fit what we was trying to go for.
Yeah, so like I think before you do any sort of marketing, before you spend $1 on marketing, I'm trying to optimize the website. And so if you're like, well, I'm willing to spend $500 or $1,000 per month on advertising, great. I would spend that money first on a great website. That alone will double the business. But more importantly, when you spend $1 on ads, it'll actually convert on the website. We got to remember, getting someone to click on an ad doesn't do anything for us. We got to get them to convert once they show up at the website. And so you might not be able to afford it quite yet, but like lawncarewebdesign.com, homeservicewebdesign.com, at the very least, go look at the work that we do and you can see the sites and get some ideas. But invest there first, whether it be with us or you find someone else and you do it in Squarespace. If you're like, hey, I'm not technical, spend whatever it is to be able to get a site that looks good and converts well. And if you're like, well, how do I build a site that converts well? I have a bunch of videos. Go to YouTube, type in Mike Andes website design. For example, I have several videos where I just go through site after site after site and just show you exactly what I would do to change it. And then you can have a designer do that. You can have someone else, hire a freelancer, or we can do it for you on a subscription basis at Home Service Web Design or Lawn Care Web Design. But I would not spend $1 on marketing until I have optimized my website. Because then every dollar I spend on marketing in the future will have a much better return because my site that I'm driving all that traffic to is actually converting at a higher rate. Because if 1 out of 400 people that get to your site convert to a lead, the fastest way to triple your business is get that to go to 1 out of 100. That's the real move. Not spending 4 times as much money on marketing, which would do the exact same thing in terms of leads as just improving the conversion.